a lot of cases where claims come into the Lloyd's system that everyone involved suspects are fraudulent. Either perhaps the ship was sunk intentionally, perhaps the ship did not contain in its cargo hold what it was said to contain, perhaps there was some other chicanery going on beneath the surface. And the Lloyd's system, collectively, the insurers who do business at Lloyd's then have to make a decision. Do we pay this claim or do we deny the claim? And if we deny the claim, what will happen is the ship owner will sue us, or more likely, a shell company representing the ship owner, who may not ever be identified, will sue us. And then we have to be prepared to go to court in London and defend our decision, which is, of course, expensive. It takes a long time. Um, and so the result is that in the vast majority of cases where there are suspect claims, they tend to get paid out. Or what will happen is the Lloyd's syndicate, which is the group of insurers who've covered a particular policy, and we could talk about how Lloyd's works if you want, will just say, well, Mr. Ship Owner, or more likely, Mr. Lawyer for Ship Owner's Shell Company, we've had some difficulties assessing this claim. Why don't we just call it 50% of the insured value and call it a day? And in this scenario, which again, I stress this happens all the time, and I would challenge anyone at Lloyd's to deny it on the record, a very likely fraud has just paid off.